Hello everybody, today I will show how to make a rainbow with animation. So let's start with it. Now for first thing you have to do is, for any animation you have to keep the background. It should not be like this. You should fill any colors. So there are two methods. One is you can use gradient and make the background, and the second is you can use rectangle to cover whole the screen, and you place the rectangle, you fill the rectangle with a color. So this time I am doing with the normal rectangle. So here I will be doing it. See, right now it is a plain color, so I have kept the color as white, but now I want somewhat darker color, because our rainbow should be visible very nicely. So for that, here there is a box. You have to click there and change the color, whatever color you need. I'm keeping it as black, so let me adjust the colors. Okay, now it's black. Now here you can see that space is still remaining. So for that, just make this, drag this a little. So here whole background is done. You drag it so perfectly that whole screen is covered with it. Okay, this much is the screen. Now what we have to do is take SP-Line. So this tool is known as SP-Line. Okay, now when you take SP-Line, check here, this is the box, SP-Line tool box for here, and here you have to check that you have only selected create region. Only create region. Nothing else should be selected. See to it. Now what you have to do is just click on the points, like one here, another one here, another one here, 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 and here. When you reach here, right click. First you have to do first you just make it here, and then just you click, and here loop SP-Line option is there, so click on it. So now this thing is looped. Okay, here you can see, but now this is not the perfect structure we want for a rainbow. So here, if you will see, when you are placing your cursor on that circle that is known as duck, here the yellow color duck will appear. At that point of time you can make changes in this. See, like this you can drag and make. But now still it's not completely done, so whenever yellow duck comes, you have to do whatever you want. Same here, yellow duck, and done. But it is little slanting, so with this orange duck you can bring this to center. This also you can bring it to center. The type of changes you want, you can make. Any type of changes you want, you can make. So I think so this much is enough for right now. The shape, you can see it's like a rainbow only. Now what we want to do is, okay, now this whole figure we have drawn is plain white, but now we want is it should be rainbow color, that is Vibgyor. You all might be doing it, right? So for that, here you can see one panel like structure. From there you can do that. So for that, just click on it. See, you can keep any color, but I prefer that first you should keep it white, so that it is easier for you to place different colors. Now according to Vibgyor we will go, so then it will be easier. You all know, like we want to do, so we will do by Vipcure. Okay, so first we will start with red color. But yeah, first here you have to right click and insert color stop. You have to click that. Okay, now you have to apply the red color. Okay, so red is done. Now I have to place orange. So for that again I have to right click here and insert color stop. So then I will place orange. Same process will continue for all the rest of the colors. That you will select one color and color stop. Select one color and color stop. So here as you can see, I have taken all the colors, and what I prefer is with all the 7 colors, one more color is white, because first I had kept that white color. So you keep that also, because we will require that white color for the animation. So now you can adjust this by dragging, like if you want this red to be completely here, like here. Likewise you can make little changes. It is as per your wish. See here. I can adjust this as I want. So while adjusting this, just keep in mind that you also have to keep white color a little bit. Okay, now you have to close this. Now you have to go and select gradient layer. Okay, after selecting that, here you just check that in gradient tool here, you would select any tool. Here you will get so many options. So here in gradient also there are so many options, but keep in mind that you have to only select linear one for this particular animation. Okay, after selecting linear, now just draw a straight line. Okay, now you can see that colors have come on the screen, all the colors that I had taken. But now what we want is this all colors should be applied inside that semicircle we had drawn. So for that what you will do is, here you can see layer panel, right? In there, from there you have to click on gradient, only gradient, and then here in this parameter box you will see blend method. In that composite will be there, so you have to click there, and from there the fourth option is straight onto, just click it on. Now what you will do is group the gradient and SP line, control gradient SP line. Now you will group this. So now as you can see that the gradient is applied on the semicircle itself. Now you can adjust it also, like if you want to adjust the gradient layer, click on gradient, and likewise you can adjust. Just see here more white, or first you don't want to keep white, so then here this. See, now I will show you how to make the animation. So for animation purpose, here you can see a man, that is animate editing mode. So you have to turn it on, so the symbol will turn red. Now here 0F is written, then I will click and enter. Okay, this is done. Now first I want that this whole semicircle should be of white color. You know, this is not perfectly semicircle, but yeah, I will call this as semicircle or rainbow shape. Okay, that will be good. So here first I want that whole rainbow should be plain white. So here as you can see, the whole rainbow is white. This you can do just by adjusting this line of gradient. Okay, now here you will click, not press, it's click, and then erase it and write 5S. It's up to you. You can keep 1 second duration also, or else directly 5S, or if you want to keep 10S, it's up to you. This means 5 seconds. In 5 seconds I want this whole to be with color. Now at 5S, what position I want is the whole thing, this whole rainbow shape should be filled with colors. You have to adjust it as I told. Okay. all the colors are balanced. Yeah, all the colors are balanced here. Now you have to turn off this animated editing mode. Okay, then now just you have to check that whether you have done correct or not. So again go to 0f. So yeah, it's plain white. Now let me show you the animation. Here by clicking on play button, you can see the animation. That's it. So the video is done here.